So it's 7 at night, I've just finished a 3-mile run and it is -1. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to lose weight. First, what you want to do is change your mindset. So this is me, sitting around 92 kilograms, 6 feet tall, overweight, around 25% body fat. I remember getting out of breath, I had no energy, no stamina. I used to go to the gym, I did no cardio whatsoever, I only used to lift weights, I used to eat everything in sight. I remember I didn't even make any gains because my protein was so low, I didn't know how to track anything. I was just eating pizza, chicken burgers, McDonald's, KFC, you name it, chocolate, I was eating it. Until one morning I decided I was going to change my lifestyle, I was going to change my diet. Because I was making no gains in the gym. I wanted to eat high protein diet, more fibre. I wanted to start cardio into my routine. So I started jogging 3 times a week and I started eating healthy foods. So I started a calorie deficit of 500, so I would eat 2,000 calories every single day, and also I would do cardio, so I would burn around 500 calories from doing cardio every day. That leaves me a calorie deficit of 1,000. And I started losing the weight. Every week I would lose around 1 kilogram, which is around 2.2 pounds. It took me around 9 months to get to this stage, so I'm around 69 kilograms now. I was 92 when I started. I'm lean, I'm ripped, you can see my abdominal muscles. And the number one reason that got me this far is discipline. Every single day I would be in a calorie deficit. What people tend to do is over the week they will lose weight, and then on a weekend they will order Indian takeaway or pizza and they will eat all their calories over, and they will say, oh, it's only just one day, it's not going to make a difference. But really it is going to make a difference, because if you're in a calorie deficit over the week, if you eat another 2,000 calories at the end of that week, you're just going to put all that calories back into your body, which means you are no longer in a calorie deficit. It is not over the day-to-day basis, it is over the week. So count your calories, and if you do go over them, just burn them off the next day by doing cardio. Subscribe for more videos. Don's Fitness, you can check my transformation on my page. There's a lot more videos on losing fat, losing weight and maintaining muscle mass on my page.